Well, good afternoon, everybody. This is Henry. It is the 12th of October 2009, Columbus Day here in the US. We're looking right now for the New Zealand retail sales number, and it is expected to be released at 5:45 p.m., which is roughly about 30 minutes from now. We're looking for a minimum deviation of 0.6%. The forecast release is at 0.6, and the previous release number is a negative 0.5%. So if we get a positive 1.2%, that's the 0.6% plus the 0.6% of deviation, it's going to be a bullish signal for the New Zealand dollar pair. What we'll do is we'll be looking forward to buy the NZD USD pair. Now, if we get a negative release, a negative 0.1% or worse, we're going to go ahead and sell this pair. I think the market would very likely to react and move in a steady fashion if we get either a 1.2% positive or a negative 0.1%. Right now, the market is kind of low on liquidity, and the New Zealand dollar currency is also a very low liquidity currency. So I would expect that the movement will be exaggerated, and this currency will probably move in a very slow and steady manner. So what I'll do is we get a good tradable number. Let's say, not only we got our 1.2, but we got much better than 1.2, or we got a negative 0.1 and we got worse than a negative 0.1. I would like to just jump in, and hopefully, I know we always wait for retracement, but in this case, retracement might not come because of the low liquidity. So I'll just look at the market, and if there's a reason to jump in, I'll go ahead and do that, and hopefully we'll pick up some money. So I'll see you in about 28 minutes from now. Thank you. Pre-release levels for the NZD USD pair is pretty much, I think, neutral. We're not seeing any kind of reaction.
Just a little over a minute, we'll be receiving New Zealand's August retail sales month-over-month, expected at 0.5%. Prior was minus 0.5%. Retail sales ex-auto month-on-month, expected at 0.5%. Prior minus 0.5%.
So we're looking for a 1.2 or better, or a negative 0.1 or worse. If we get those numbers, I think market will move in the direction of the release.
In under 30 seconds, we'll be getting New Zealand's August retail sales. We'll be leading off with the headline retail sales month-on-month, expected at 0.5%. Prior minus 0.5%.
So it's coming out in just a couple of seconds. Stand by.
Plus 1.1%, better than expected.
Okay, it's better than expected.
Spiking higher retail.
Plus 1.1%. Immediately spike up. Well, actually, we saw not that much of a spike, to be really honest with you. This is the area where the 53 happens to be the area where I see some resistance. So we're not seeing a very impressive upward movement. Maybe 15 pips or so. I think the number, it's a good number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for an entry. So stand by. We're seeing the market breaking above that 50 something.
New Zealand dollar trading up just about 25 pips against the greenback 73.57, approaching intraday high, seen just about 73.60.
Just to note, the 1.1% month-over-month rise for the August retail sales, that's the biggest rise since the 1.6% increase in November of 2007.
Okay, so obviously this number made history. Seems like to be a good bet to be jumping in and hold on to this trade. I'm going to go ahead and jump in now. So I just got in right now at 67. Alright guys, it's 6:56 p.m. I'm seeing about 10 pips of profit. We never have anything going below the our entry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take the profit and be happy with it. 6 pips is not bad, you know, for relatively short amount of work. So I'm taking it, and everybody have a good night.